Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot or Dodge Dart. What's common between those? The transmission that they use, the 6-speed automatic transmission. If you guys have one of those, you have code or any problems related to input or output speed sensor, you're trying to find where they're located, how to get to them and all that stuff, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video. Step by step, we will also explain why you must replace your transmission oil on time, the transmission fluid, and why in some cases you may need to do that up to 3 times. So stay with us and we're going to talk about that so we can avoid future problems with your transmission. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing these absolutely free videos for you guys. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save quite a bit of money. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's explain now, okay, about input-output speed sensor. This is the transmission. Fun fact about that transmission, it's actually a Hyundai transmission. Hyundai developed it in 2008-9 and they sold it to Chrysler Corporation after that. The code name for the Chrysler Jeep Dodge vehicle is actually 6F24. For the Hyundai is A6MF1. Now, let's first talk why it's super important to change the transmission oil. We have a special video that explains how often to change the transmission oil on Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot and Dodge Dart. But you can see that the oil, it's pretty nasty. You can see, guys, it's worn. The black stuff inside of it, those swirls, that's actually contamination from the clutches, wear on the transmission. That will turn into abrasive fluid that will eventually eat your clutches even faster. It will wear them out faster, it will lose its lubricating properties, it will deposit that contamination in the shifting solenoids, the valve body, and it can practically destroy your transmission. So change the transmission oil one time, the transmission fluid, and check the video about the transmission filter as well if you need help with that. Another thing, guys, it may take up to 3 changes of transmission fluid sometimes, and all that will be in that video that we talked about. So now, if you remove your transmission valve body on that transmission, once you remove it, if you want to see it step-by-step instructions how to do it, from draining the oil to removing the oil pan and the valve body, we have the video on the channel, transmission valve body replacement removal. And once you do that, you're going to get to the clutch pack here, and if you look right here, you have 2 sensors, guys. Let me actually put this one here. You have 2 sensors. This is the output speed sensor, this is the input speed sensor, guys. You can see just like that. You replace both of them practically together, with 10mm bolts. You remove them, you disconnect the wiring harness, and practically you're ready to go, guys. That's the input output transmission speed sensor. So output, input right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.